Hi guys, welcome back. So today we have a little transformation on our hands, and yes, that pun was very much well intended. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I took my hands from looking like a 12-year-old boy to one bad who was frankly too booked to be bothered. And honestly, the best part about this is it only cost me $3 to do this. I know, crazy, right? So, if you would like to see how I achieved this greatness, then keep watching. The first thing I want to do is I'm just going to grab my fingernail clippers and just trim my natural nails down a little bit. Obviously this step is optional, so if your nails aren't that long to begin with, then just go ahead and skip on to the next, but mine needed to be trimmed a little bit, so. And of course, right after that, we want to go ahead and go in and push our cuticles back. And my lazy self just used the other end of the nail clippers, which is very well fine. If you have an actual cuticle tool, that is great as well. You can use that, or you can even use your nail file, just whatever works. So now it's time to start prepping for the actual fake nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab a little alcohol swab, and I'm just going to run that really quickly over all the nails. And this just basically gets the nails clean and rids it of any dirt and grease that would prevent it from sticking as good as it could. Alright, so now that they're clean and dry, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my false nails. These are by LA Colors. They're the ones that say French overlap. They are full cover medium length nails. What I like about these is they already have a nice shape to them. They're kind of not quite coffin, but not quite too square either. They're just like the perfect mix between the two, and I love them. I got these at Family Dollar and I paid a whopping $2 for them. Yep, that's right, the whole pack. Before I just start going in and gluing the nails on, I'm first going to grab my fingernail file and just kind of run it across the surface of each nail just to rough them up a bit and give it some texture. That way the glue has something to stick to, and it just kind of helps everything adhere a lot better. Then once I'm done with that, I'm next just going to reach in and grab my nail glue. Again, this is by LA Colors, and this is their Rapid Dry Clear Nail Glue. And this little bad boy only cost me $1. So there you have it, folks. That's where the $3 comes in. I literally just paid for the nails and the glue. So from here, I'm just going to take the glue, dot some on the back of the nail, and then just use the tip of that to kind of spread the glue out evenly, and then start pressing them down. Just a side note, I do recommend going ahead before you get to this point and setting aside the nails that you're going to use, because you know different sizes come in these packs. So it just makes things a lot easier and makes things go a lot smoother if you already have which nail sizes go for which nail and you have them already laid out to the side. And of course, I'm just repeating this glue process for all 10 nails, laying the nail down and making sure that I am pressing firmly on the nail and holding it there for a few seconds, just to make sure that it's stuck down really good. But y'all be careful. You know just how crazy the super glue can get, okay? This stuff is insane, and you can literally stick your fingers together in 2 seconds without even realizing it. So just be careful when doing this, or you can even do it a different way. Instead, you can actually just put the glue on your natural nail first and then just put the fake nail on top of it if you want to do it that way instead. It's all up to you. It's personal preference, just whatever works best without you completely gluing your fingers together. And then once you have all the nails completely glued down and in place, the next thing you're going to want to do is just grab your nail file again and just kind of file around the edges of the nail. Basically shape them up, but like I said, these specific nails that I bought already had a nice shape to them, so I didn't really have to do much of that. But if you buy just like regular nails and you want to alter the shape, then this is where you want to go in and do that at. Another thing you want to do is just take the nail file and just kind of file down the corners of the nail just so they're not so sharp. You know, I didn't want to poke my eyeball out. I have enough eye problems going on as it is, so I just kind of buffed them down a little bit. And that is literally it. Well, as far as the nails go, like, tell me that was not the simplest thing ever. Now from this point forward, it's totally up to you how you want to paint your nails. You could totally just leave them like this if you would like to, or of course you can grab some nail polish and paint them any way you like. Obviously you guys seen from the thumbnail that I decided to go a little bit of extra today for you guys, but before I can get the extra, I first got to go in and give my nails a nice thin coat of white polish. Whenever you're doing any kind of bright or neon color, you want to go in with white first as your base, because it's really going to help the colors be more vibrant and pop a lot more than what they would on their own. Now, of course, it's time for the main polish, which for me, I chose Neon Yellow, which is one of my all-time favorite nail colors to get. I haven't got my nails done professionally in a while, but I used to go religiously, and Neon Yellow was one of my all-time favorite colors to get. I used to get it all the time, no matter what season it was. I don't care. I always got this color. It's a color that I always came back to, no matter what colors I did in between. I just love it. All right, so now that we're all neoned out, I'm now going to go in and start working on that middle finger. So I just grabbed some black polish and one of my really thin nail art brushes, and I just went in and started drawing kind of like Aztec or tribal print. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. I really just drew in some random lines, straight lines, diagonal lines, some triangles, just whatever worked. And then I want to just go in and give my ring finger a little extra pizzazz. So I decided to grab this polish right here, which is a clear polish within itself, but it has this chunky white and black glitter flakes in it, which I thought went perfect. And then of course, once you have all your nails completely painted, all your designs laid in place, or however you decide to do your nails, no matter what, you gotta top it off with a clear coat. Any clear top coat will work, just something to seal in all that hard work and to add a nice shine. And that's it, you guys. Not to be biased or anything, but I'm pretty obsessed with how these turned out. So easy and simple to do, but yet they're so bright, so fun, and I'm in love with them. $3, you guys. Thankfully, I already had all these polishes on hand, so I was able to get away with just buying the fake nails and the glue, which I'm sure a lot of you guys will be able to do as well, because what girl doesn't have a tube of nail polish at home? Like, even if it's just one tube of nail polish, you have something, okay? $3 is all this took to go from that to this. And look, I am by no means professional. I'm just your basic broke who likes her nails done and like to look cute, but has kids and priorities, and sometimes, you know, nails just don't fall at the top of the list, but you still want to be cute, so you gotta improvise. Yeah, that's me, and that's what I did, and here we are, a whole whopping $3 later. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you love my nails just as much as I do. Of course, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Also, comment down below your favorite nail color to get on your nails. I already told you guys that this neon yellow is my favorite, so I'd like to know what yours is. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see ya in the next one.